You can have anything that you dare dream of in this life. And if you flinched right now, then you've got some work to do, because the truth is the only thing that holds you back is your self-worth. Your opinion about you, your commentary about you, your feelings that you have about you, about your past, about your desires, about what you want, about what you should, could, wada, yada, yada, is the only things that stands between you and receiving an avalanche of ongoing blessings. It's a sobering thought to know right now that you only have to shift and lift that inner conversation, and to feel into your divinity and feel into your worthiness, and unhook it from achievements and from things that you have done in this life. Unhook it from all of that and actually celebrate the essence of existence itself. The inner commentary is everything. You can't have anything that you don't think that you deserve. You can't have a new life if you're not identifying with yourself as someone who has those things. And so this is why it's creative. Make believing again. Remember your superhero powers. Feel into the essence of the exceptional, playful spirit that you are. And as you be in love with the present moment and find ways to use your energy in the right way, I can guarantee that your story is going to shift and lift in the most radical way. Your task will then be to keep up with who you're becoming. And that's a story for another day.